Why is exercise so important to us? We really evolved to be movers. You know, we were hunter-gatherers only 10,000 years ago. But guess what? Now our culture has jumped, right? Our culture has just evolved so quickly and so fast. And especially in the last 40 years, it's changed enormously. We have these cyber slaves, I call them, because they do everything for us. This is the problem of our obesity crisis today. The top 10 killers in the United States, okay, are really lifestyle diseases, either caused directly by our lifestyle or fed. Even the cancers now, we know, can be prevented by lifestyle changes, many of them, and certainly helped along the way. You know, the articles are coming out all the time now. That's one of the most important things in cancer treatment, is getting people to move and stay moving. One of the things we know is that being overweight, being obese, then having diabetes really makes the process of cognitive decline go rapidly, very, very rapid. There are lots of studies that have come out in the past 15 years showing that exercise prevents what we call cognitive decline. If you are middle-aged and you haven't been exercising 3 to 4 times a week or any time, you begin 4 times a week for 40 minutes at moderate intensity. The studies show that you will prevent the onset of cognitive decline by 10 to 15 years.